We are destroying expensive car in GTA 5 with a grenade launcher. Let's see how it goes. So now we have a grenade launcher. These are the extreme expensive GTA cars. This cost around $1 million, the yellow one, and this one is around $5 million. This is around $6 million, and this is $7 million, and this finally is $10 million. And let's see how we can get this shit done. Let's start with the $1 million. Let's see how this goes. Come on. Nothing? Oh, you have to aim it properly then. Oh my god. Oh shit. Let's go with this one. Oh my god. The explosion is amazing. I actually busted around $20 million worth of car, and someone is flying by. Okay, that's it for the video. I'll be back again. Bye bye.